You've taken the test, waited for the results, and now they're in. Maybe you're relieved, perhaps you're frustrated, or maybe you're just glad it's over. But before you toss your paper in a drawer or forget it ever happened, pause. This moment, right after a test, is where real learning happens. In this lecture, you will learn how to reflect without feeling overwhelmed, identify what helped or hurt your performance, and build a personal system that makes you better with every exam. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to review test results without discouragement, spot useful patterns in your habits and mistakes, build a repeatable next-time plan for growth. Step 1. Pause before you overthink it. When you see your grade, it's tempting to react right away, whether that's getting excited or feeling disappointed. But before you spiral into self-criticism or start overanalyzing, just pause. Take a breath. Let yourself feel whatever comes up without judgment. You'll reflect much better with a calm head. Sometimes the smartest thing you can do is give yourself a moment. Step 2. What went well? Don't skip this. Most people jump straight to what went wrong, but that's only half the picture. Before you critique, take a moment to notice what actually worked. This isn't about ignoring mistakes. It's about learning what to keep doing. Ask yourself, which parts felt easier this time? What strategies helped me stay on track? Did I feel more organized, less rushed, or a little more confident? Even small wins matter. They're not just nice to notice. They're clues for how to succeed again next time. If you only focus on the mistakes, you'll miss half the lesson. Step 3. Mistakes are clues, not judgments. Looking at what didn't go well is important, but it's not about beating yourself up. Think of mistakes like clues in a mystery. They tell you where to look, not who you are. Ask yourself, did I misunderstand the question? Was I rushing or losing focus? Did anxiety make me freeze up? For example, if you consistently lose points on essay structure, that's not a failure, it's a pattern. And patterns can be fixed with practice. Remember, mistakes aren't a reflection of your intelligence. They're just feedback pointing out what needs fine-tuning. Every top scorer once struggled with the same things you're facing now. Step 4. Use teacher feedback like a shortcut. Feedback isn't just criticism, it's one of the fastest ways to improve. Even short comments like expand more or misread question are gold if you learn how to use them. If your teacher says be more specific, they're asking you to be clearer and more direct. Practice getting your point across without being vague. Lost marks because you missed a step? Next time, take it slower. Break the question down. Rushing through might feel faster, but it often leads to mistakes. If the feedback doesn't make sense, don't be shy. Ask. Teachers appreciate when students care enough to want to understand and grow. And here's the real secret. Feedback in one subject often helps you in others. Learning to write better, explain clearly, or follow steps properly can make a big difference across your whole student life. Every note, even the smallest one, is a shortcut to doing better next time. Step 5. Build your personal next time toolkit. This is where everything comes together. You don't need to scrap your whole study plan. Just tweak what's working and fix what is not. Think of this as your personal upgrade system. Small changes that lead to big improvements over time. Use this simple format after every assignment or test. Keep doing. List 2 to 3 things that helped you this time. It could be starting early, summarizing notes, or practicing with a friend. Change next time. Note 1-2 things that didn't go well, like leaving revision too late or rushing through the final answers. Try next time. Pick one new strategy to test, such as using flashcards, joining a study group, or taking breaks during long sessions. This becomes your go-to formula. A quick, easy habit that helps you learn smarter, not harder. Each time you do it, you'll improve just a bit more. And those small improvements, they add up fast.